Good morning. It is my second day here on the Camino Portuguese. I am walking out of Matosinhos. I walked from Porto to Matosinhos, a little over 8 miles yesterday along the coast. And today we're doing 12 miles to Vila de Condo. I didn't want to go that far yet, but things are kind of booked where I wanted to stay. So I just wanted to stop real quick and say good morning and show you the beautiful street that I just walked down today. And I'm excited to bring you some more sights of Portugal and my walk on the Camino Portuguese. For the beginning of my Camino Portuguese, I will be walking via the litoral route. That's spelled Litoral, and that actually walks along the coast of Portugal. These are the most amazing bushes and trees I've ever seen. They look like this before they flower. And then it's like they have gold on the tips. If you know what this is, let me know in the comments. That's kind of tempting. Definitely some fishing town, a lot of fishing in this country so far. I feel like I'm walking through a National Geographic magazine. They're so cute. This beautiful bridge, this is all made out of wood, but it looks like it's metal. So beautiful here. And if you go to the right, they have a boardwalk that goes that way. You can walk. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is my, I don't know, 4th or 5th bridge since yesterday. This one doesn't make me nervous, but I might be over my fear of bridges by the time I finish this Camino. Oh, it's a little duck fest. Sky looks a little daunting over there. I'm walking another bridge. Hey. Oh, there's another one of those. I gotta look that up. Hanging down there. That's so pretty. The amount of boardwalk. It's absolutely insane along what I've done today. I think I've walked close to 10 miles so far. I have about an hour till my hotel. And I want to say probably 8 miles of what I've walked today has been boardwalk. Now this one is very new, but they're all in unbelievable shape. And I'll turn you around. The boardwalk goes all the way over those dunes back there. It's just incredible, the amount of love and work that goes in to, let me zoom you can still see boardwalk. Pilgrims walking way over there. It's incredible. I'm staying in Vila de Condo tonight. It's right on the other side of that town. Probably over a bridge. But it is not quite 2 o'clock, so not too bad for a 12-mile day. I am at the Rendilheira Boutique Hotel. I will link that below. So there is my door, and you do have AC. I had a mini fridge, which was nice because I was able to go get some fruit and a salad to put in there instead of going out and having dinner. I basically just got in and dropped my bag and went to the store, and then I was back here by like 5 for the night. There's my little tiny pack. Then you have a full-length mirror there. The bed was amazing. I did not want to get up this morning. It is 9 o'clock. It's about an hour later than when I planned on starting, but hey, it is what it is. This is my view. See some pilgrims walking across the bridge over there. That's where I walked yesterday, and then I came right around and I was right here. So this was amazing. I know there's musicians down over there. Lovely, lovely. I didn't watch TV, so I don't know. It's on there. Nice bathroom. I mean, it's all been renovated, so it's super nice. Shower is super hot. They did provide shampoo, and I think that's about it. But I mean, you can't beat the view. I had my window open all afternoon yesterday. This is a beautiful bridge. I'm not scared of going over this one. I don't know why, but this is like the 5th one since yesterday.